Hey babes, this video is going to be an ombre lip tutorial, red ombre lip tutorial. These are the lipsticks that I'm using. The darker color is Rebel and the lighter color is Boss Lady. These are both by the Lip Bar. I like to start with a translucent powder. As you see here, I like to put it around my lips. It actually is a cool little trick to help your lipstick pop out. So now I'm just going in with my powder brush and blending it on down so you can actually see where I'm putting the translucent powder. And I'm going to take the dark color Rebel. I'm actually going to go in and start lining. I like to line at the bottom. You can start at the top. But as long as you're doing, an outline, that's what really matters. So as you can see here, I'm actually going through with a full line, then I'm going to go in and distress that line out. So I'm going to actually take more in the corners. I'm going to distress that line out a little bit. So I push my lips together, so that's what transferred on the top. And I like to make this X, y'all. It just gives me more of a good shape for the top of my lips. You can skip that step, but I don't know, I've been doing it for the last 3 months and I really like it. So here I'm actually just going in and filling in my top lip and distressing that line as well, so we can go ahead and get ready to add in the Boss Lady in the middle. All right, babes, here comes the show finale. This is me opening the Boss Lady. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. I just fill in all the blank spots that I still have on my lips. And I usually use a brush, but these colors blended so well together, I didn't even have to use the brush. So that's the complete look. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. This is my go-to fall look. It's an ombre red lip, which is so cute. These lashes, give or take, this is more like a nighttime lash for me. I've been back on my smaller lashes, y'all. I'm really enjoying those. But this is cute too. These are some lashes I got off Amazon, so y'all know they will be in my Amazon store. If you like this look and you found this helpful, excuse me, I feel like I'm just talking too fast. But if you like this look and you found this helpful, please subscribe to your girl channel. Y'all know we still on the road to 1,000 followers. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm just like, I'm feeling the look. I try to turn the light down a little bit. Let me see. So y'all can actually catch the look. I think y'all can still see it. I also have a tutorial coming. This is my first time doing my hair in these butterfly locks. Oh my gosh. Amazing. So make sure you stay tuned for that tutorial as well. So thank you guys so much. It's your girl ReReFromTexas and I'm signing off.